Craving that perfect summer barbecue char but stuck indoors with a sensitive smoke alarm that goes off if you even look at a frying pan? You are definitely not alone. Today we are counting down the top 7 indoor grills on the market right now to help you achieve authentic barbecue results right on your countertop. I have thoroughly tested all of these units in my own kitchen, pushing them to their limits with everything from thick ribeyes and delicate fish fillets to dense root vegetables and breakfast pancakes. Number 7. Breville BGR820XL. At first glance, this unit looks absolutely stunning with its brushed stainless steel finish and heavy-duty die-cast construction. It is designed to function as both a closed panini press style grill and can also fold out completely flat to give you an open barbecue mode. The standout feature on paper is the Element IQ technology, which uses heat sensors embedded in the grill plates to compensate for temperature drops when you place cold meat onto the surface. In theory, this is supposed to inject rapid heat back into the plates to give you a continuous, aggressive sear. When I first tested this with a couple of strip steaks, I was incredibly excited to see this smart heating system in action. However, the reality of cooking with this Breville unit left me feeling a bit underwhelmed, especially considering its premium price tag. When using the grill in the open, flat barbecue mode, I noticed significant inconsistencies in the heat distribution across the plates. The edges remained frustratingly cooler than the center, meaning I had to constantly shuffle my burgers and hot dogs around just to get them to cook evenly, completely defeating the purpose of having such a large cooking surface. Another major drawback that became immediately apparent during my testing is the sheer weight and footprint of this appliance. It is incredibly heavy and cumbersome to maneuver around the kitchen, making it a genuine chore to pull out of the cabinet for a quick weeknight dinner. Unless you have a massive kitchen island and plan to leave it out permanently, finding storage space for this beast is going to be a constant headache. Six, CUSIMAX Smokeless. This open-face grill utilizes a hidden fan system designed to pull smoke down and away from the cooking surface, passing it through a water tray to neutralize it before it can fill your kitchen. It features a tempered glass lid and a digital control panel for setting your exact cooking temperatures. When I first set this grill up to cook some marinated chicken thighs, I was genuinely impressed by how quickly the heating element reached the target temperature. The double U-shaped heating tubes do a respectable job of providing consistent heat across the non-stick grill plate, and I was able to get some decent color on the chicken without waiting forever. It definitely cooks food thoroughly and effectively. Unfortunately, the main selling point of this grill, the smokeless fan system, is also its biggest downfall. The fan is incredibly loud and entirely intrusive. While testing it in my kitchen, the whirring noise was so overwhelming that I couldn't even hold a normal conversation without raising my voice. It sounds less like a kitchen appliance and more like a small industrial exhaust fan running right next to your ears. Furthermore, while the fan does capture a fair amount of the visible smoke, it does absolutely nothing to stop the aggressive splattering of grease. When I tested it with fattier cuts of meat like pork chops, the open design allowed hot oil to pop and spray all over my surrounding countertops and backsplash. You might not have a smoky kitchen, but you will definitely have a greasy one to clean up afterward. Speaking of cleaning, the process is far more tedious than the manufacturer claims. 5. Ninja Foodi Pro. This isn't just a traditional indoor grill, it's a multifunctional powerhouse that combines high-heat grilling with air frying, roasting, and dehydrating capabilities. The build quality is exceptional, featuring a sleek, modern design that feels incredibly robust on the countertop. What truly sets this model apart during my testing was the integrated smart probe. This is an absolute game changer for anyone who struggles with overcooking or undercooking their expensive cuts of meat. You simply insert the probe into your steak or chicken, select your desired level of doneness on the digital display, and the grill automatically monitors the internal temperature, shutting off exactly when your food reaches perfection. When I used the smart probe to cook a thick-cut ribeye to a perfect medium rare, the results were absolutely flawless. The 500-degree high-density grill grate delivered a deep, crusty sear that easily rivaled what I can achieve on my outdoor gas grill. The meat was incredibly juicy on the inside, and the guesswork was completely removed from the entire process. The smoke control system on the Ninja Foodi Pro is also phenomenally well engineered. It uses a combination of a temperature-controlled grill grate, a splatter shield, and cool air zones to virtually eliminate all smoke in the kitchen. Even when searing high-fat burgers at maximum temperature, my smoke alarm remained completely silent, and the kitchen air stayed perfectly clear. Cleanup is a breeze with this unit. The grill grate, crisper basket, and cooking pot are all coated with a high-quality ceramic non-stick surface that wipes clean with barely any effort. They are also entirely dishwasher safe. Number 4. Chefman Electric. The Chefman stands out as a brilliant option for apartment dwellers or anyone prioritizing ease of use and space efficiency. This grill features a sleek, minimalist design with a spacious, non-stick cooking surface that provides plenty of room for family-sized meals. It relies on a water tray system situated directly beneath the heating element to instantly cool grease and prevent smoke from forming. During my testing, I found this grill to be incredibly user-friendly right out of the box. The simple dial control allows you to easily adjust the temperature from warm all the way up to a searing high heat. I decided to test its finesse by grilling some delicate salmon fillets alongside a mix of asparagus and bell peppers, and I was thrilled with how gently and evenly it handled the seafood without tearing the skin. The heat distribution across the Chefman grill plate is remarkably consistent. Unlike some other open-face models, I didn't experience any frustrating cold spots around the perimeter. The heating element is integrated directly into the grill plate itself, which ensures that the heat transfers directly to the food with maximum efficiency, giving you beautiful, uniform grill marks on every single piece of chicken or steak. The smokeless technology here is highly effective and surprisingly quiet, because it relies on the physical cooling of grease in the water tray rather than a noisy motorized fan. The cooking experience is peaceful and entirely smoke-free. You get all the wonderful aromas of your food cooking without any of the stinging eyes or lingering odors in your living room. When it comes to maintenance, the Chefman truly shines. 3. Hamilton Beach 38546. This unit is the ultimate definition of kitchen versatility and is perfect for families who want to maximize their appliance utility. It features 2 separate cooking areas with independent temperature controls, and most importantly, fully reversible cooking plates that offer a grill pattern on one side and a smooth griddle on the other. The ability to customize your cooking surface on the fly is incredibly empowering. During a busy weekend morning test, I was able to have one side set up as a griddle to perfectly fry eggs and flip pancakes, while the other side was set up as a grill to cook thick slices of bacon and sausage links. Being able to execute a massive, varied breakfast simultaneously on one appliance is a massive time saver. When switched over completely to grill mode for dinner, this Hamilton Beach unit does not disappoint. The dual heating elements provide ample power to sear burgers and hot dogs efficiently. I love that I can set one side to a blazing high heat for searing, and the other side to a lower temperature to gently finish cooking thicker pieces of chicken or to toast burger buns without burning them. Grease management is handled beautifully by a central channel that funnels all the excess drippings directly into a large, removable drip tray tucked cleanly underneath the unit. This design keeps the cooking surface remarkably clean while you are working and prevents your food from boiling in its own fat, ensuring you get a proper sear rather than a steam. 2. Hamilton Beach Electric. If you are less concerned with air frying or griddle capabilities and just want a dedicated, hardcore indoor grill that excels at one specific job, this is the machine for you. Its signature feature is the high-domed lid with a large viewing window, allowing you to monitor your food without letting all the precious heat escape. This grill is specifically engineered for searing, and it does it brilliantly. The temperature dial goes all the way up to a searing 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and the indicator light lets you know exactly when it is preheated and ready to go. When I dropped a thick New York strip onto the grates, the immediate sizzle was incredibly satisfying, locking in the juices and creating a beautifully caramelized crust instantly. The domed lid is a fantastic design choice that significantly improves the cooking process. By keeping the lid closed, you create an oven-like environment that surrounds the meat with heat, drastically reducing the overall cooking time and ensuring that the center of the meat cooks evenly while the outside gets that perfect char. The window is super convenient for keeping an eye on melting cheese or checking the browning progress. Despite reaching such high temperatures, the smoke output is remarkably minimal. The grill grate is designed to allow grease to drop instantly past the heating element and into an extra-large drip pan below, preventing it from vaporizing into smoke. I found that as long as I kept the drip pan clean between uses, I never once had an issue with a smoky kitchen. Cleaning this grill is about as easy as it gets. Number 1. Ninja AG301. While the Pro version we mentioned earlier is fantastic, the AG301 hits the absolute perfect sweet spot of price, flawless performance, and game-changing technology. This machine doesn't just mimic outdoor grilling. In many ways, it completely surpasses it, offering an unparalleled level of precision and flavor. The secret to its incredible performance is Ninja's cyclonic grilling technology. Instead of just relying on a hot bottom plate, this grill circulates 500-degree rapid air all around the food while it sits on a 500-degree high-density grill grate. When I tested this with frozen burger patties, straight from the freezer to the grill, the results were mind-blowing. It perfectly cooked the inside while delivering a charred, crispy exterior in under 15 minutes. The searing capability of the AG301 is completely unmatched by anything else on this list. Because the superheated air creates a convection effect, you get edge-to-edge browning that you simply cannot achieve on a standard open-face grill. The grill marks it produces are deep, dark, and packed with that authentic, caramelized barbecue flavor that makes you completely forget you are cooking indoors. It is also genuinely 100% smokeless. The combination of the cool air zone, the precision temperature control, and the splatter shield works in perfect harmony to ensure that not a single wisp of smoke escapes into your kitchen. I have cooked marinated short ribs, thick-cut bacon, and fatty sausages in this machine, and the air in my home has remained pristine every single time. Beyond being the perfect grill, it is also a top-tier air fryer, roaster, and baker. The ceramic-coated grates and crisper basket are incredibly durable and slide effortlessly into the dishwasher for a painless cleanup.